Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make the Mandalorian ship. Let's get started. We will start by building the bottom of our Mandalorian spaceship. We'll get 2x6 and 1x2 with 4 dots on the thermal plate, so it looks like that. Then we'll put it there and put another one on the other side and do it on the exact opposite side. So it's like that. Then we will get a 2x2 and put it right there. And then we'll get a 2x4, put it on 2 pieces there and there. Get another 2x4, put it one there and one there. And there's no reason for having a hole, so if you have one just like that, feel free to put it like that. So now we will create the back. We'll get any color. Well, mine's gray, so it's sort of a smoothish piece at the top. So then we'll put it right there at the bottom. Repeat and do it on the other side with the same piece at the bottom. Then we'll get a bigger one, 2 of them, but connected. Put on this one side at the front. So then it's like that. Then we'll get a teeth looking piece like that. See, it looks like a tooth or a nail. And put it on the back right there. Get another one and put it on the back. Then get a long smooth piece, 1x4, to put on the side. Then get these little gauges. See? And those are the doors. So point them both, the red part facing up, on both sides. Both red parts should be facing each other like that. Then we will get a 2x2 at the bottom. It's 1x2 and put it at the back where the teeth are. Then I'll get put that down, get a 2x2 flat piece and 1x2 with dots on the side, 1x2 on the dots on the side. Then, well, it seems like we're missing something because it should line up like that. So then we'll set that down and we'll put a 2x2 inside there, put it down. Get a 2x3 and put it down because it's actually should be a 2x5, but I don't have it. They don't make 2x5, so it's a 2x2 with a 2x3. Then we'll put a 2x1 in, so it makes this bucket kind of thing. Then we'll get a 2x4 thick brick and put it right in the middle. Then we will actually it's 2x2, put 1x2, and then we'll put a 1x1 of triangle there to make the window. Then you will set it on top, like make the window. Then we'll start making the jets. So we'll get an orange piece, put this gray long piece on it, then put this gray piece like that. And repeat the process with 4. And just saying, the other ones should actually be the opposite of what we did on the other 2. So it should be like if you put it pointing the same way, it should be facing different directions. Now, we will get this piece, a 2x1 with the kind of pointing down, the 2x1. We will put it on the side of that there. Put another one, then get a different piece, the opposite. Put it right there, like that. Let's get another one and repeat the process like so. So then it's like another jet. But wait, we have done something wrong because they're both exactly the same. So you flip it and you put the pieces, 2x1s, like that, and you switch it around so it's like this. Oh, it would be like that. Then we get a 2x6, put it down, right like that. This is like a 2x1, but then it sort of goes up a bit, so it's like a triangle wedge. Put it on next to your jets. Then we'll get our black piece. That's this way is 1x4 and down is 1x3 on both sides. You put it right there. Yeah. Get your rockets and put them on. Wait. Put 2x2 on right there. Like that. And on the other side, to make stuff to keep the rockets from falling off, get a 2x4, sort of like this piece, and it's gonna slope on the bottom. It's a 2x2. Then put it up like that. Put a 1x1 on each side, opposite. Repeat the process like what we just did. Then we got 2 of them for both sides of the wings. It's either not wings or rockets. Then we'll get this 2x2 smooth piece and put it right down there. A 2x2 down piece and get a 1x1, put it like that. And we're done. I hope you enjoy this video of making the Mandalorian spaceship. If you like it, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!